Welcome to our school.
The cell wall is the tough layer that surrounds plant cells as well as some other types of cells. It is located outside the cell membrane. The cell wall provides these cells with structural support and protection, in addition to acting as a filtering mechanism.
I'm Mr. Selwood. I'm symbolic important. I'm keep the gangster out and let this to the game.
Can I get in there? Can I go in? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Not to be confused with the rigid cell wall. The cell membrane, or plasma membrane, is a more fluid barrier. It is located inside the cell wall. The cell membrane is selectively permeable and controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell.
I'm cell membrane. I'm only there to get put in the school. Headphone off. None had or phone. Allowed. Welcome to school.
Plants contain a large vacuole known as a central vacuole. Vacuoles store water and nutrients for the cell. If the plant is well watered, the central vacuole absorbs the water and exerts pressure against the cell wall. Without water, pressure is reduced, causing the plant to wilt.
Here's our school water tank. We call it the vacuole. It stores water and nutrients for our school.
The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubular membranes within the cytoplasm of the cell. It can either have a smooth surface, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or studded with ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the transport of materials.
The way we get around our school is through the hallway. The way stuff travels in the cell is through the endoplasmic reticulum.
Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant cells that perform photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, chloroplasts capture the sun's light energy and use carbon dioxide to produce sugar and oxygen. The carbon dioxide we breathe out, plants breathe in, and the oxygen plants breathe out, we breathe in.
We are the chloroplast triplets.
We have many jobs at this school.
One of them is to make lunch. We add sunlight and CO2 to make sugar and oxygen.
Inside the chloroplasts is a pigment called chlorophyll. It is responsible for the green color of many plants. Chlorophyll is vital for photosynthesis, which allows plants to absorb energy from light.
Chloroplast triplets here again.
I told you we have a lot of jobs at this school.
We are responsible for the green color of the school. Our pigment is chlorophyll.
The Golgi is an organelle found in most eukaryotic cells. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages macromolecules synthesized by the cell for export outside the cell.
Hi, I'm Ms. Goji. I'm in charge of the main room. Just like it said, Goji, I receive material and package them from exports outside and inside.
A mitochondria contains outer and inner membranes composed of phospholipid bilayers and proteins. These organelles are sometimes described as cellular power plants because they generate most of the cell's energy, ATP. In order to produce this energy, the mitochondria need sugar and oxygen.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Today we're going to talk about the cell energy factory that manufactures ATP to fuel all life activities. Mitochondria are the energy factory of cell ATP. Here we have a picture of the mitochondria. We are here. The mitochondria. Marquis, you are late again. The mitochondria break down sugar to convert it in energy. And here we have O2 plus glucose is equal CO2, ATP, and water.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah. I see too.
The nucleus is a large, membrane-bound organelle that regulates the cell activities. The cell nucleus contains the majority of the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA molecules. DNA molecules are organized into structures called chromosomes.
My name is Mr. Nucleus. I'm the big bad boss. I run this school. Nothing happens without my saying so.